Hello, my name is Nadine and I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and this is going to be another video about my travel and decor series. And in this series I talk about the inspiration that I get from my travels to different countries. These travels are sometimes for work and sometimes for fun, but no matter what the circumstances are, I always make it a point to stay in Airbnbs so that way I can get the unique country's local and regional design elements in those homes. And today we're going to talk about Japan. And if you have been to Japan and want to add any design elements that you love there, please comment below. I would love to see those. And as always, I will put links in the description section for inspiration for you. So let's dive into it. Now, incorporating Japanese home design into an American home can bring a sense of peace, simplicity, and elegance to any space that you have. And here's some ideas that I have to help you achieve that style if you're looking for that typical Japanese design that a lot of people really love. So the first one is to embrace minimalism. It's very common that Japanese home design is all about minimalism and simplicity. So keeping your space clutter-free and using furniture with clean lines to create an uncluttered and peaceful environment is the way to go when it comes to incorporating Japanese home design into your home. The next thing is the use of natural materials. In Japanese home design, they often incorporate natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone. And I really love a lot of these elements, and you yourself can incorporate these materials into your home through furniture, decor accents, and even flooring. Now, another thing I'm going to talk about is adding a shoji screen to your home. And if this is not a word that you've heard before, a shoji screen is a classic feature in a Japanese home design. And these can be used as room dividers or covers to go over windows to create a serene and peaceful atmosphere in your home. The next one is creating a Zen garden. And I think this is probably one of the biggest things that people think about when they think about Japanese home design. Zen gardens are a traditional Japanese feature that can be incorporated into any outdoor space that you have if you have the use for these. The use of rocks and sand and plants to create a calming and meditative environment is the wonderful way to go when incorporating this into your home. The other thing is the use of sliding doors. And when you're looking at typical Japanese homes, you will see these sliding doors, and they're very popular in Japanese design. And these are typically used to separate rooms or to open up the space to create a seamless flow from one room to the next. And the other thing is using natural light in your home. So in Japanese design, it's often emphasized to use natural light as opposed to artificial light in your home. And the use of light-colored curtains and shades will let this light in from the outdoors, and also keeping windows unobstructed to bring in that natural light as much as possible is the best way to go. We can also incorporate this Japanese style with artwork. So Japanese art often has themes such as nature and spirituality and minimalism. And I think this again is another thing that's a very common thing that people know about in Japanese home decor. And you can incorporate these styles into your home through paintings, prints, or even sculptures from Japan. Now, incorporating these elements, you can create a very tranquil and serene environment in your American home that incorporates a lot of the beauty of this Japanese design as well. So I hope this was helpful for you and it gave you some tips on Japanese design if you're really interested in that. Keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.